Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about table constructor function in Power BI. So what is table constructor and what generally it does? So table constructor can be used to build a table containing one or more columns or row based on the fixed value or DAX expression which result a scalar value. So whenever there is a requirement to create a single column, single row table, multi column, multi row table, then with the help of a table constructor, we can create that kind of a table. And the value can be populated on in those columns. Maybe those values are a fixed values, or those value can be generated with the help of a DAX expression which result a single scalar value. Here, the column header cannot be defined in table constructor. So this is one of the demerit. So let's understand how we can create a single column and multiple rows. So this is the table which I am creating, and this is the curly braces. This is the syntax of table constructor. Here I am providing, I am populating values with the help of a measures, and these measures are going to give a scalar value. So this is the name of the column value, and these are the value which is getting populated with the help of these two measures. Now let's discuss about single row and multiple columns. So how we are going to define it? So this is the name of the table, and this is the curly braces. In this curly braces, we need to give this a small bracket, and this small in this small bracket we need to give the static value or a expression which result in a single scalar value. So this AP customer sales is a value which going to, this is a measure which going to return a scalar value, and AP quantity sold, it's also a measure which going to return a scalar value. So we can see two column gets created and this value is getting populated here. Now let's discuss about multi-column, multi-row table. So here, this is the table constructor. This is the name of the table which we are going to create it. This is the name of the this is the first row of the column. This is the second row of the column, and this is the third row of the column. First row of the column is populating with the help of some fixed value. Second and third row is getting populated with the help of a measure, and those measures will going to return a scalar value. Here is also these measures will going to return a scalar value, and this is the output. This is the column 1 and this is column 2, and this is the three rows which getting generated, which is coming from here, here and here. So let's do this exercise in Power BI. So let me create a new table. Name of the table is AP Retail Single Column Multi Row. How the data is going to populate it? Data will go, this table will going to create with the help of a table constructor. This is the syntax of the table constructor. Here we have to put Let me put the expression AP retail customer sales. This will going to give a scalar value, and second is static value. Let me run it. We can see single column table has been created, and how the values are going to populate. Values populating with the help of this static value and this measures, which going to result as a scalar value. Let me create another table. Name of the table is AP retail multi column multi row table. How this table will going to create? The table is going to create with the help of a scalar data constructor. So what is the signature? This is the data constructor. How the value will going to populate? The value is going to populate with the help of this bracket. First is with going to populate with the help of a static value Santosh Sah, and second is a scalar function of a measures which will going to return a scalar value. Why two columns is not getting created? What the mistake I have made? Here multi-column single row. Let me put single row, not single row table. So this is the constructor. This is the constructor. Okay, we need to here. I have what I have done. I have just closed this bracket. This bracket must be closed here. So now the syntax is correct. Here we can see there are two columns and a single value. Two multi columns and single row. Let me create another table. Name of the table is AP retail multi column multi row table. How this table is getting generated? It's getting generated with the help of a table constructor, and in the table constructor this is the syntax. So first it's getting populated Santosh, second value is Shah, second is 100 100, third is AP retail customer sales, and AP AP retail cost. Let me run it. see this multi-column, multi-row table has been generated with the help of a table constructor function. This is the name of the column and this is the three values which we are populating with the help of this code. In this video, we have seen how we can create table with the help of a table constructor function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.